Hey folks, Machinery Pete here. It's December 5th, 2013. It is freezing cold here in Blooming Prairie, Minnesota. Equipment, a lot of 2012 model stuff. John Deere equipment mostly. Low use on it. Very interesting to see how this late model stuff is going to sell today. We have an S680 combine.
All right, we got another opportunity here.
Okay, listen up here, guys. It is a 2012 by serial number. It's a John Deere S680. Four-wheel drive. She's set up with the duals. It has 507 actual one-owner engine hours. It has 383 separator hours. Long auger, it's got the 42-inch duals on it. Straw chopper, and spreader. It's got the 400 bushel pulled down grain case. It is green star ready. All current updates that was required on this combine have been completed at SEMA Implement. It has John Deere Power Guard warranty. That Power Guard warranty is good till October 4th of 2015 or 2,000 engine hours. It expires at that time. Again, ladies and gentlemen, including it's got the cab mount and the cab door update kit, full engine oil filter, fresh hydraulic filters on it, been through the shop. John Deere, SEMA John Deere is inside there. They've got all the warranty information on the combine. And again, gang, you can buy with confidence. It has just been through the shop after, I emphasize, after 2013 harvest. It was through the shop, so absolutely, beyond a shadow of a doubt, it is field ready.
Chance of a lifetime right here. You get $350,000 left. $350,000, $350,000, $350,000. No matter where we start, we got $200,000 cash money. $225,000, now 30, 240, 50, 250, and now 50, now 240, now 50, now 50, now 50, now 240, 50, 240, and now 50, now 250, now 60, 260, 270, 270, now 70, now 70, now 70, now 275, 275, 275, 276, 275, 6. 275, and then 276 internet, if you were here and saw it, absolutely, 275, 276, 275.
Guys, I'll tell you what, I'm sure all of you do know it, but if you don't know it, there's a heck of a dang good tax advantage this year. And I'd be willing to bet my bottom dollar to a hole in the donut that it's going to disappear next year. And it's $500,000. If you don't know what I'm talking about, guys, you can buy up to $500,000 worth of used or new equipment and accelerate depreciation for this year. So, if that's in your plan, or if it's not in your plan, if this combine you'd like to have it, guys, again, we're talking bottom line. It makes good sense. And the most important part, if you've already gone over that, spent that, guys, you're in that caliber, you're in that class. If you're looking for a combine, which I know you are, we got 3-4 guys here, buy this combine, guys. It's a tremendous savings off of the new one, and you know the story. The story is it comes from a home that has second to none care. So, again, guys, it's a good value to the buyer.
507 hours. Remember that warranty till 2015. 284. 283 and now 45, 285 and now coming to the bottom down 6, $285 down, $286,000 down, $85 down, $285 down, $285 down, $286,000 down, $85 down, $285 down, $286,000 down, now, $288, $287 now, $88,000 down, $287 now, $287 now, $287 now, $288 now, $288 now, $287 now, $288 now, all in, $288 now, $289, $289, $290, $290, $289 now, $90, $289 now, $90, $289 and now $290,000 down, $290.
Jerry, whoever buys it, we've got one internet bidder. He's a good bidder. We know him personally from North Dakota. We got a gentleman down here. Here's what it is. I feel in the giving spirit, it's Christmas time. Whoever gets this product bought, I promise you, before Christmas, I will send you a $500 gift card from Cabela. I promise you. A $500 gift card from Matt Berry Auction Company. I'm taking it off my health wages is what I'm doing. Yeah.
Absolutely no problem.
Yeah. But internet bidder, I hope you heard that, and the guy on the ground heard that. I personally will send you a $500 gift card to Cabela.
Only thing I heard was wages, and I didn't know nothing about that. $289, $290, $289, and $290,000 down, $289 down, $289 down, $290,000 down, $290, $289 and now $90, $289 now. Internet, you're out here. $289, $290 now, $291 now, $291 now, $291 now, I'm going to thank you both, and I sold the combine for $291,000. 44.